In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit the content on your WordPress blog using posts and pages. Now, the first thing that we need to do is from our blog, which we set up in the last video, scroll down under Meta and click on Login. And then from this login page, we need to type in a username and a password that we entered in the last video. If you're following along, if you entered in a username and a password when you set up the blog, and I had that little arrow pointing to that part of the setup in the last video, you type in that username and that password on this screen to access the admin panel. So I'm going to do that now. And then once we're logged in, we see a screen like this. What we want to do is go under the Right tab. Just click on it once with your left mouse button, and you should see a screen like this. And as you can see, there's three options under the Right tab: Right Post, Right Page, Right Link. And the two that we're going to focus on are Posts and Pages. Now, you might remember from the first part of this video our website, which looks like this. And if we look at this for a second, posts go on the home page. You realize posts are in categories. They're listed, and we can change these categories, and I'm going to show you how here in a second. But posts, they're placed in categories. They go on the home page. The most recent post comes first. If you've ever read a blog, you've probably seen blog posts, and you've probably seen a page full of blog posts, like one after another on a page. You know, this other thing, this could be repeated down this page 10 times or so. Pages, they're separate. They're listed off to the side, and when you click on them, they take you to something that looks like this. See, this is a single entry. There aren't multiple posts on this page. There's just information. This is more like a static general website. Now you have to decide whether you're going to use posts, whether you're going to use pages, whether you're going to use both. Okay, if you're writing a blog, I suggest you use posts. You know, the posts, most recent information. You post your stories. You use posts. Pages are for an About You page, which means that people can click on a link, an About You link, off to the side and go to that page anytime from any post, from any page, click on it, see it. That page doesn't change that often. It's static. It's more like a regular website. Okay, so to write a post, you just go into Write Post. When you write a post, it'll appear under the home page. When you write a page, it'll appear under Pages, and you can go to it. So we could write a post, you can click on the page link, you can write a page. And then when you're ready, you can press Save to save it, and that means that when it's saved, it's not live on the website, it's just simply saved. When it's published, it's live on the website, and anybody out there can see it. So if you're still working on a post, you're still working on a page, save it. Don't publish it. Now you can always go under Manage, and you can manage your posts and your pages. Basically means you can check it, you can delete it, you can check how many comments there are. You can click on the comment link and edit comments. I'm going to go into comments in a future video. But so there's the Right tab, the Manage tab, there's Posts, and there's Pages. Click under Posts, you can check it, you can sort it by date, sort it by category, sort it by whether it's published or not, click on it, edit it, see who authored it, etc., add tags to it, check it, delete it. Okay? Now, you can always go under Manage Categories, and that will enable you to add a category, which will appear off to the side here. And when you go under Manage categories and you add a new category, then you can then put posts in that category. You cannot put pages in that category, but you put posts in that category. So hopefully I gave you a little overview about posts, pages, how to use them, and a little bit about categories. So in the next video, we'll cover some more of this back-end dashboard for your WordPress weblog so that you know what you're doing when you use WordPress.